Today we'll talk about how can you add bank details on your FxPro app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on my profile. When you just click here on my profile here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on manage bank details. You come to next here, then you click here on add new bank details here. So then you come to next here, add here account name, then currency, even here account number, swift, so bank name and bank address. Then you click here on save. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.